Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Eve energy strip and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now this hard reset will restore the strip to its factory default settings, so you'll need to reconnect it to anything. You're going to lose any data that you had before or anything like that. But if you're having issues with the strip not connecting, or if it's not responding, if you're not getting data, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. So how you're going to do that is all you need to do with it on, make sure it's plugged in and it's on. You're going to come in and you're going to press and hold the first and the third buttons here. Just going to hold them, press and hold them simultaneously for 10 seconds. And you'll know that you're done when the LED light will start to blink. Once that LED light starts to blink, you can let go of the two buttons and then just wait a few seconds for it to run through its blinking. When the blinking stops, you know that it has finished its reset process, and you can go ahead and set your power strip back up like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks for watching.